Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everyone. This is me, Alia Jaber, from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today, I'm going to discuss for grade 6, Unit 11, exciting things to do. This is our lesson for today. Unit 11, Period 4. Now, let's start answering the first question in our lesson today. Read and complete the sentences with correct words. You are going to read the incomplete sentences and complete them with the words from the box. Now, let's read the words in the box. Bats, cave, coral, flippers, goggles, hedgehog, sailed, sunrise, sunset, wild cat. I'm going to do number 1 with you as an example, then you can answer the others. Ready? Be careful, the pictures can help you to find the answers. 1. Have you ever seen flying out of a at night? Look at the picture. What can we see? We can see what? Yes, bat. So what is the answer? Have you ever seen bats flying out of a cave at night? Let's read it again. Have you ever seen bats flying out of a cave at night? Now, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer the others. Then you can check your answers with me. Ready? Okay, read the sentences with me. He has used what? Goggles to look at the coral under the water. Again, he has used goggles to look at the coral under the water. Why we said goggles, not flippers? Look at the picture. He used what? Goggles. And we have another reason. Here, we have to look under the water. And in the previous lesson, we said that we used goggles to look at things under the water. Now let's go to number 3. Have you ever sailed in a boat in the evening and seen the sunset? Why sunset? In the picture you can see the sunset, and here we have evening. 4. They have swum at sunrise and used what? Yes, and use flippers to swim fast, because we use always flippers to swim fast. 5. The last one. About this picture, these two animals. Have you ever seen a hedgehog and a wild cat looking for food at night? Read it again. Have you ever seen a hedgehog and a wild cat looking for food at night? Now check your answers. If they are all correct, let's go to the second one. Present perfect. Before answering the second question, let's revise present perfect. We said we use present perfect to indicate a link between present and what? The past. Yeah. So we use present perfect to indicate a link between the present and the past. Now, let's read some examples. The first example. He has ridden a camel. What is the verb? The verb is has ridden. The second one. She has eaten chocolate. What is the verb? Has eaten. I have cleaned my room. What is the verb? Have cleaned. The cat has climbed the tree. What is the verb? Has climbed. So, to form present perfect, we use has or have, and after them we use the past participle form of the verb. So, again, say it again. How to form present perfect? We use has or have, and after it, we use the past participle form of the verb. This is the question. Question 3. Now, after this, circle the correct answer a question about present perfect. We have 6 sentences. We're going to read them, and after that, we're going to circle the correct answer for them. Let's start with number 1. Ben has sailed or sailed in a boat at summer camp. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is sailed. Why sailed? Because we have here has. And before we said, if we have has or have, after it we use the past participle form of the verb. Number 2. Omar has never used or use goggles and flippers. What is the correct answer? Used, because we have has never used. 3. Ben has never seen desert animals in Palestine. Be careful, we have has never, so the correct answer is seen. 4. Bilal has watched or watched bats flying out of a cave. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is watched. Watched. Why watched? Before it we have has. 5. Rania and Emmy have ride or ridden camels and horses. The correct answer is ridden, because we have before it have, and always after have we use the past participle of the verb ridden. The last sentence in our question. The dads have camped or camped when they were young. The correct answer is camped. Camped. Now check your answers. Don't forget, you have to study the past participle form of the verbs. They are very important. The past participle form: sailed, used, seen, watched, ridden, camped. Study them. And now let's answer the last question for today. Read, then answer the questions. Here we have 3 questions. We're going to answer them. Let's start with the first one. What has been done in a boat? They are asking about Ben. What has been done in a boat? He has sailed. He has what? Sailed. What has Umar never used? The answer is he has never used goggles and flippers. He has never used goggles and flippers. What have Rania and Emmy done? They have ridden camels and horses. Again, what have Rania and Emmy done? They have ridden camels and horses. Our lesson for today is finished. I hope it was easy for you, and I hope you understood everything. Thanks for listening to me, but don't forget, study the past participle form of the verbs. See you soon. Goodbye. Alia